Hi everybody, today I would like to show you how to change the theme and font inside the Visual Studio Code. Because a lot of people ask me what theme do you use and how to change the font. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all we need to choose the fifth tab on our left, this one, and write night oval, yeah, this one. Select this theme that I'm using currently, and it's very nice and allow you to select light or dark version. So for example here the light version. So if you like pink, you can choose it, but I prefer the dark one. Here is it. Okay, then for the font, so you need to go here. The name of font is Firaco TypeScript. I leave the link for this font in the description. Once you download it, you need to install on your machine, and then go here. If you're using Mac, go to the code preference settings. Okay, then select text editor, and the third item will be font. And here you should write this font name, Fira Code iScript. And then Visual Studio will update automatically your font system. That's all. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. Bye bye.